Great to see you here. Let me give a little bit of an update about what's going on and why the website was not working anymore. I'm going to be fixing it after this Zoom. We had a website, of course, deployed by another developer team. They did not provide me with the full source code. So apparently they have coded in that you can change many things, but as soon as you're going to be changing the contract, it's just going to be going wrong and not showing anything because you need to deploy it and you need to do it in some kind of way that you have the full server rights, and they have never given that to me. So what I'm going to do now is I have hired a developer team. They are rebuilding the website to make sure that everything's working correctly, and they're rebuilding it to ensure that it's working with the new contract. I will get the full source code, and also it will ensure that we can change things, that everything is working correctly, and that, how do you say it? That's, yeah, I can just have no future problems. For now, what I'm going to be doing is the BUSD is backed till at least till the end of February. That you can find it online also. And they say it's going to be back around till half of April. But I'm going to be switching back to the BUSD contract so that it will show some data, it will show some other things, and it will function properly again. And then the developer team is going to be working in the background on building the website, making it with the source code, making it so that I can change things and that is functioning properly. So this is what I've been working on. I've been doing many things. Let me just show a little bit. I can show also what was the problem, why it was not working anymore. I can share my screen. It's not very simple, but to just show it a little bit. As I must go like here. Let me put this one up and this one to the side. If you're going to be checking, everything is set up to be functioning with a simple contract. You can find it mostly by doing like this. Oh. Project ID. As you can see, like here, it is asking I can show it a little bit to the side. As you can see, it's continuously asking a project ID. Project ID is something that is saved on the server, so it's asking for 0. That means that it is taking that number from the contract. So as you can see, that's doing that multiple times. And I could change the part. Oh wait, it's also here. And I could change the part that was saying for the project ID of the contract. So as you can see it here with the wallet connect, it is connecting with the old contract. Oh wait, I was just showing. It was connecting with the old contract. So that means that it was, it had that number written down, and it was only taking that from the server. So I was looking for this. Let's click this one. That means that I could not update it. Oh, it's here. So as you can see, this is from the contract itself, and as you see the model config that is continuously taking the API from the other, from the old contract. I could not change this because it is written on the server. So now we're building everything from the start with that. That I got the power to change things like this. So as you can see, I cannot change these numbers. I could only change the old contract. But as you can see, I saved every data. So I'm putting it back to BUSD tonight. And I need to change the IDs and things that I cannot change. So I've hired developers for that. As I can show that normally you have like 3 or 4 files, but this is like one big mess. I have over 20, 30 index files where normally you have like a couple. If you're going to take here, I have like I have hundreds of files. I don't even know which one I have to do. I have multiple packets, and it's one big mess. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I've made sure that we've gotten a developer. I've made sure that they know the style that I code on. There's also been a GitHub, which I'm also going to show. Let's go here. There's also like a GitHub. I've uploaded a lot of things there so people could see there's like multiple backups of all the files that's needed. And I'm going to be working there together with the other person that they're going to be copying everything from my site and implementing it to interact with the new contract. I can say for the new contract, it is working correctly. I've given everybody an upgrade. It is verified. I'm also going to be adding token data. That's all I can do here. So I'm going to also be adding the social things, adding some other data. And I'm going to make sure that it's going to be working correctly. But for the website, I'm going to be asking help from professionals because it was too difficult for me and I cannot code. And I really tried, but I could not manage. So guys, that is like the updates that I've got. I'm going to be changing it after the Zoom back to BUSD. So I'm going to be doing that, and of course everybody that's going to be upgraded after the migration, that's going to be still getting that with the promotion and the other things that we did. And I'm also going to make it right, like I'm going to think of something that is going to be a bonus for all our members. So this is like the thing that I got for today. Let me make a quick tour on explaining how abundance works, and then we are going to be sharing that those that are that everybody knows how to work with us, and of course that the community knows that within a week we're going to be migrated with a new website, and then there will not be any problems of me not being able to change things. As for tonight, this is going to be coming back. It was one of the things that I was wanting to show, and also a quick tour about. I'm getting many questions if what we have changed, so let me also do this. Our packages, they span from $2.50 till our packages span from $2.50 till $2,500. We are a crowdfunding project that instantly rewards to your own wallet. We are working with a fast and cheap chain, where you're assured of making sure that when you make a sign up, you're instantly getting paid in your own wallet. You do not have to trust the project because they do not hold any money. There's not a withdraw button. And of course, we also have our own token. The well token, it cannot be bought. As you can see it here, I also got a tattoo of it. It cannot be bought, and there are no team tokens, no manipulation. It just grows organically from 20% of all income that's coming in Abundance DeFi. Our levels, they stay open forever, and we have a structure of 10 levels deep. One of the things that I can show is that, let me go here. We have an auto buy feature, what I just said, over 20%. That is automatically buying the well token. That's the only thing that can buy the well token, and you can only get it by joining the contract or by making a direct sign up, of course, or upgrading your package. The first commission level is 39% plus some well token, which I'm going to be describing in a little bit. The second level is going to be 12%. So the first two levels are already giving you like 51%. To ensure that not everybody can build a structure of 10 levels deep, but everybody can make sure that they get their money back and profit. We're also going to be building a lot of more functions, but as many have heard, I've had some difficulties with developers, and I'm now first making sure that I'm going to be deploying the website again, and that is working properly, and then I'm going to be continuing with the ecosystem because life has been difficult and it is giving me a whole lot of stress, I can say. What happens to the commission outside of the structure of packages? There is a way to get some missed BUSD. Let me explain it in a little bit. Let's say that you have a package of $100. You're signing up somebody with $100. You're going to get 39% commission. This is going to be 39 USDT. And you're also going to get 500 well tokens. Let's say that the well token is worth 3 cents. That means that on top of 39 USDT commission, you're also going to get another 15 USDT worth of well tokens. This is, of course, you can do it with yourself what you want to do. The well token is not worth 1 cent in the moment, but it's going to be rising a lot more, as we also have done some things with the supply for that. But let's say that you have a package of $100. You're signing up somebody with $250. This means that you will be getting a 39% commission up to the package that you have unlocked yourself. This means that if you would have gotten a 250 package also, you would have gotten a $97.5 commission. So guys, what I also wanted to show you is that from the well token, as you can see it here, we have really took a lot of the supply. We have removed like 6 zeros, I believe, because it was my first project. I needed to know how. And also from the price, we removed 4 zeros so that it's worth a lot more. As you can see, this is from the one test buy, and it was really skyrocketing a lot because of the 55 buy. So guys, let me show you one more thing. The site will be updated and changed back. And one of the other things what I want to show is that we have a special referral system in place. That is, for every 4th sign up that you make, it's going to be placed 1 level down. This is to ensure that leaders are helping their people to grow. As building a team is a lot more fun if you're doing it together. This ensures that teamwork makes the dream work. So every 4th sign up your upline makes is going to be, if you're the first sign up, then it means that it's going to you. Every 8th is going to go to the 2nd, and every 12th is going to go to the 3rd. This continues all the way, and this is non-changeable in the contract. And this is to ensure that you're also going to get some help from above. Of course, we all can use some help, and this way, it is a lot more fun to build together than everybody just focused on themselves. With other projects, it always just the money travels up and the people travel up. I've ensured that the money and the people also travel down. If there are any questions, guys, feel free to ask. As you can understand, I've been giving a lot of updates on the Telegrams. I've been giving updates on and mostly on Facebook, and I've been in a lot of chats. But that was the difficulties that we had encountered, and I am grateful to say that now finally we got most of it fixed. Yeah, for this I also showed a little bit what was wrong. So yeah, changing the contract changes the whole structure of the website, and then it doesn't do anything anymore. So for all those that have won prizes in the Zoom, I'm going to be making sure that you guys are going to be able to add yourself with the BUSD contract. And after the migration, you're going to have a $25 value package. And I think that you will also be rewarded with some of the conversation other people are getting, because everybody is having, of course, some inconvenience by waiting. So guys, this is my lovely assistant, as you can see. Hey. So guys, this is this is my update. This is my update, and if there are any questions, feel free to ask them. I hope that everybody is happy with the amount of information I'm trying to give and send out. I'm not running away, and believe me, I really am very upset by all the difficulties and problems that I've encountered. I've been posting things everywhere, like things happened. So I'm happy I can get it fixed. I'm not happy that it took some time, but after this, I will not have to fear for any booby traps or things not working anymore. So I think that for today, I think that one of the prize winners will be, let me check the chat. Yeah, my lovely assistant. She's so amazing. She starts to talk now and everything. So I think that for today, the prize winner is going to be Abel. And let's just also do Mugasha Derek. So you can send me a message and I will make sure that you're going to get your prize. And of course, if you're already a member, you can also say, well, I would like this member to come under me in the contract. So then, of course, that would be in the new contract. So let me get it. Send me a message, as I believe that your upline knows how to find me. And have a wonderful evening, everybody. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands signing off, and I promise more updates will follow.